How to log in into Jackson Hewitt account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Jackson Hewitt Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one website option, jacksonhewitt.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Jackson Hewitt. Now over here you will find the section of create an account and login. Head towards this option of login, click on it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from this page you are able to log in through your account. All you need to do is provide your credentials. Jackson Hewitt Tax Service is the fastest growing full-service tax preparation company with over 5,000 franchise and company-owned locations, including nearly 3,000 plus locations in Walmart stores. Jackson Hewitt provides a streamlined and no-frills tax filing experience for a low flat rate. It offers professional tax filing software, help from a tax expert, along with in-person tax filing options. Now type in your credentials over here. Firstly, type in your username or email address. Likewise, type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password or email address, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on this option of create an account and do that. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into your Jackson Hewitt tax account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.